What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Shout out to you guys. Today's Memorial Day, so I'm going to do a Memorial Day design. As you can see on the screen, what we're doing is first thing we're doing is we got a flag on a picture, or the picture of a flag. And what I wanted to do is first erase a few sections there that you saw me erasing. And then the next thing that I did was I went ahead and changed the color of the background. My goal is to make it a little bit darker so that the flag stands out just a little bit more. And you can see here I was playing around with the different colors, trying to get it to work. Had to make a few edits, but it's perfectly fine. Once that was all finished, the image was ready for export. So now that the image is exported, went ahead, uploaded it into Canva, and then I wanted to test a few different things. The first thing I did was trying to remove the background to see how it would look if I would put text in back of it or in front of it, kind of like a blend or like a color burn, but that didn't really work. So what my goal was is I wanted this t-shirt to be double-sided. So a design in the front, a design in the back. I added some text, as you could see, but I needed some little bit of inspiration, so I made the flag a little bit faded in terms of the colors for the opacity. And then I did a quick Google search of the different kind of like designs that were Memorial Day based out there. I was looking for a little design, couldn't use that because that was a logo of a project, but I figured let me give it a chance. Let me just see how it looks. Not that I was going to use it, but just wanted to see how it would look as a silhouette, like on top of the flag. Usually silhouettes don't work unless they have an outline around them, which you just saw me do. Here I was playing around with the flag. I did some more Google searching, looking around to see if anything helped out kind of the way it looks, but added some text on the top and the bottom, and that was ideally for the back of the shirt. So never forget our fallen. That was going to be the back. Now what I did was created another page, and I used one of the images here from Fantasy Labs, which was the eagle with the American flag. The first time I tried to remove the background, it didn't work. I actually did this before, so I just took the photo that I saved before, placed it, and just added some text for the front. Saw some other inspiration, but I just used my own kind of text on there, my own little quote, and then all I did was slap it up on a t-shirt. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it. Not much to it. It's a rather quick video, and just wanted to show you how quick this cool design was, or how long it took, which just a few seconds, really, just an image and some text. So that's all I gotta say. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Happy Memorial Day, and peace out. Bye.